Also, some things I may have forgotten. First of all, let me try one more time. Look at that. This one clicks, this one out again. Push. Look how fucking red my thumb is. Oh, the color's bad, you can't see it. But it's red. It's red as the devil. Trust me, I wouldn't know. It's fucking shit, man. Anyways, just stick again. Also, like, I would take these out, the two I already have, but I don't want to risk, you know, like, fucking up and not being able to put it back in. And if I do that, I won't be able to upload this and show it to you, so, yeah. Fuck that. Also, if you have any sticks of RAM that is compatible with this, I would really appreciate it, because I can't deal with just 1 gig of RAM. This is ridiculous. And I believe I already set what type of computer mine is. It's where the hell's the name? HP Pavilion A113ON. So yeah. Piece of shit. Anyways, I'm gonna upload this now. Peace.